Hi Craft Angels, and Nancy here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here with a purchase share from Mindless Crafting. Now I've already taken everything out of the package because I tried to shoot this video before and to no avail. So what I have here is some Prima ephemera, and here's everything that's in the package. Okay, I don't want to take it out because I don't want to lose any, and it has some small pieces in there. And here is the Prima 6x6 paper pad. It has 6 double-sided designs, 5 of each sheet, 5 sheets of each. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. Here's one. Let me zoom in a bit to let y'all see it up close. Okay, so now here we go. We have this one that has Adventure Santa, a barn, a wreath, another one here. Here's the fence from a farm. I really like this paper pad. And here's the back of it here. There we go. That's a lot better. And this one has sort of the same thing with the Vintage Santa and a barn. The reeds, this one has a few cut aparts that has sentiments on it that I could use for something. And trust me, the ideas that run through my head when I'm looking through these paper pads is amazeballs. Here's the backing for that one. And here's this one. The Vintage Santa again with the wreath, and there's some sentiments on it. And he has two of his reindeer. And you notice they have the buffalo check up here. Each one has, see, like this one is this page. Buffalo check, I think, is the backing of this one. Here we go. And you notice this is going to be the back of this one. Okay, and this is the front of this one. I like the way they do that. Now here's Santa with two of his reindeer again. You got some flowers going all along here. Here's a cardinal up there. And we're going to show you the back. There's the back. Now this is going to be a wood grain back, which I'm trying to find a 12 by 12 of this. Here is the world map. Here's the stocking again. Little vintage girl. Vintage Santa here. And flowers along here. Now for the wood grain back. Let's get all of them together. Here's the wood grain back. And this will be nice to work with. Here's the backing for this one. And here's the buffalo check, the reindeer. Here is a ledger. I don't know what this is. I think it's some kind of coupon or something. I don't know. Let me see if I can figure it out. It's not a coupon. I don't know what it is. It's some kind of receipt or something. Vintage receipt, I think. And I think these two are the same thing. And this is the end of this, and here's the backing for that. You see the reindeer, and some sentiments I can use. Christmas tree. I got some ideas for this one. And she also released a fall stamp set, which has the little Raggedy Ann and the scarecrows, and a whole bunch of sentiments. And this one's like, we hang together. Hey you, scarecrow, let's hang out. Then you have, even when I'm raggedy, you still love me. And this one says, thanks for patching me up when I was torn apart. And here I see it says, I miss hanging out with you. And here's the name of the stamp set right here, Scarecrow Stamp Set. And this one, I like it. And here's some instructions on how to care for your stamps. Now she has it on high quality polymer. And when I will be doing a review on her stamp sets because I have a few of them. So I want to say thank you for watching. Please like and share and leave a comment down below. And if you haven't already and you want to see more content such as this, card making, and all sorts of content, please do subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell down below to get notified of when I upload new content. So I will say bye for now. Thank you all for watching. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Be kind, be loving, be caring. Be safe. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.